Story time! Alam niyo ba before, meron akong super crush. And then, umabot kami sa talking stage. Tapos itong crush ko na to is sobrang hot. Sobrang gwapo, and ganyan. And ang hilig din niya mag-gym. So, when hindi nag-workout yung sa amin, ang nakakatawa is sobrang hinayang na hinayang ako. And then, when I see myself working out, taking videos, and lumalakas yung strength and endurance ko over time, and I'm loving my body more, realize ko, bakit ako hinayang na hinayang doon? In fact, I am one. I am hot, I am beautiful, I am bold, I am brave, I am all of the above. So, nung na-realize ko yun, well, I started letting go of the things na gawa-gawa na lang ng utak ko. I mean, masyado nating nilalagay sa pedestal yung mga tao when in fact, we should be proud of ourselves. We should be the one raising ourselves to that pedestal because at the end of the day, if it doesn't work out, then hindi dapat tayo yung mag-chase and asking for more chance. Hindi ba dapat tayo yung mag-sorry because, sorry, hindi ako for you. Yun lang.